Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and I'll show you the difference between the regular face unlock and the faster face recognition method. And as can you see, the faster recognition just disabled, and the first one I'll try the regular face unlock, and I'll make like 5 tries to each of unlock method, and then I'll use my stopwatch and we'll see the difference between the 5 of unlock tries. So I'm just will check if I'm sitting in a good position. So I just will again check the faster recognition. Sorry, just to these options. I think I just enable this option. Yeah, so it's disabled, as can you see. So let's start. Okay, it's 3, 2, 1. Let's go. First, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8.5 seconds. So, and now we'll just enable the face faster recognition. So I'll just activate it by tap once on the switcher. So remember, that's what the 8.5 seconds in just regular unlock method. And now we'll try the second one. So I'll just reset 8.5. Don't forget. And yeah, okay, that's worked. So let's start. 3, 2, 1. First, second, third, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Look at this, that's work really fast. So we can just call this option the faster recognition. So because we got like difference in I think the maybe 2 seconds. So that's how it looks. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.